If you're still relying on referrals or old school ads to grow your business, you are already behind. And if you're trying marketing agencies that gave you traffic, impressions, maybe a few leads, but not real growth, you know the pain. What you need isn't more noise, more ads, more things, and more content. You need a system that turns attention into revenue, a client acquisition system that works even when you are offline, something that educates your client even before they get to a call with you. I'm Helen Nitschke, and I'm founder of Nitschke Solutions Group, and we don't sell marketing. We build acquisition infrastructure for high-ticket service providers, just like you. We work with doctors, lawyers, consultants, and financial providers who already deliver excellent, but the deliverance is excellent, but they struggle with consistent, attract, and convert premium clients. Because the problem is, even though I know you love referrals, and we all do, and you should like and should be part of your business, but referral alone cannot scale and will always be relying on you. And ads are expensive, and unless your message is clear, they don't convert. Or if they convert, you actually spend a lot of money because the client is just clicking buttons, but they are not really educated about what you do, and not even educated sometimes about their real problem. Some clients don't even know they have the problem, or they don't know if the problem is a problem to begin with. And I'm sure you may know this because if you are part of your sales team or you were at the beginning, you hear a lot of things. Let me think about it. And just adding more and more content and just do more social media work, more TikTok, and add another platform is not necessarily the answer. Actually, can just create more work, more noise, and actually turn you in a very exhausted person. And I know that because I've been there. But let me talk about why I can help you, and I believe we can help you. Let me share here my screen with you so I can share a little bit more of how this system works and what we did. Okay. So let me stop a little bit. Oops. Let me do this. And it'll be easier to share with you. Share and this. Okay. The problem is the referral. We have helped build over $8 million in revenue for clients across US, Brazil, and Europe. More than 300 experts just like you, founders, specialists, and especially people that grow amazing business like physically. They knew what it is, how it was like back in the day. Open a door and actually pay employees and have to call people and invite them in to be inside the door. So you know the drill. Most of our clients are even like 60 years old or above because they are being in that generation that just work hard will pay the bills. But right now, nowadays, we need a little bit more than that. We need to position you as the authority, as the go-to. And that's what we do. One of our clients, he was 65 years old, and he was an amazing banker, and he had built his business and for many years. But now he was trying to actually create a little bit more traction and get more clients through online because he understood he needs. So he had marketing agencies before, spend a lot of money on ads, and the most that he could do was like $3,000. But then we came in, we adjust his offer, we adjust his message, and we adjust who he was serving. So exactly like his ideal client. With that message and position and building that system that we built, he went from 3K to 100K in a few months, which is only one strategy, one campaign. And that was without email list, ads, and bunch of social media followers. I know it is very possible. What we do, we install the immediately authority acquisition system, the immediately authority funnel. What is the difference? The immediately authority funnel is a place that you take the person by the hand and guide them to a sales call. It's not just a website that people are going to click and like, I'll come back later. That's a huge difference. So everything, the way we communicate from the top of the page all the way to the end is educating your client and bring the awareness that they need the solution, and the solution is you, is your business. How do we do it? That's how we break down the system. First, if you apply today or any day, we take a look in your business. We're going to ask you a few questions because We are not a marketing agency. We come together and we build the system and your business online with you. So that's why we first had to take a time to audit your business and know exactly what is the points that you're probably missing. What is the spots that are leaking leads, okay? Or just not converting, because most of people think they need more leads, but not necessarily. Nowadays with AI, it's super easy to generate leads. We are not a lead gen company. It's tons of lead gen companies over there, and we can create any like 10,000 names and lists for you right now with our AI. But if we do that, what do you do with it? Do you have a system? Do you have a place to take this client? Do you know how to communicate the problem you're solving, how you're solving in a super clear way that this client will raise their hand and say, hey, I need you and I need you now. So this is very important. And the best part, even if we create this list right now, if we scrape like a bunch of lists and names for you right now, for your business right now, and the person see, look, everything and don't buy for you, what do? Throw away this lead? That's the worst thing. I hate that. I hate throwing money away. Leads is money. Money is money, and I want it in my pocket. That's what we do. We create a system to keep more money in your pocket and not for ads and every place else. And we noticed that any high ticket service provider need to educate their clients more before they get to a call. We install the system for you and we deploy with you the entire system, the immediately authority system funnel for you. So this system, when we is a challenge-based funnels, which it is, why is a challenge-based? Work with a client in 3 levels. The first level is bring their awareness or like really remind the client they have the problem. So after that, we take them to show the solution and position you as the only solution for them right now. And then after that, we also prove that you are more than qualified to help them. This is communicated all across the board of your business. It's not just an event, it's not just email, it's across the board. The same message is all over through an event that we can do, through an email sequence, through an SMS system. So content and everything, there you go. And of course, a page, a funnel that we're going to create for you. When we have this message aligned all across the board, doesn't matter where this lead come from, is being educated if the same solid conversation. When we start, like also we connect with CRMs, because when we connect the whole system of CRM, we also improve the value of your company and your business. Most of the business don't know how to answer questions as how many leads you have per week, how many leads you get, and after that, how many leads you close, and after you close, how long it takes to close. So simple questions that actually put the value of your company up high, they don't have the answers. Why? Because they are so used to referral that they don't have a system that really has the step-by-step of the client journey. That is very important. We work all the message and scripts, which mean the copy, and the nurture sequence, meaning if the person buy from you right now or later, they still getting value, we still gonna elevate you as the solution, even if they are not ready to buy right now. But they always gonna consistently see you and understand more about you and your business. We co-run with you for 6 months, meaning we are acquisition company. If you see that working together is a great match, we can continue and scale together. If not, you run away with a 50K machine ready and completely done for you. In this machine, we're going to teach you how to press the buttons, and you can hire people to do with you, and you can continue and scale on your own. And no hard feelings. We totally understand. But if we are a match, we're going to continue to scale together. We had clients that only work with referral and add like 200K to their revenue, and that was a great extra cash, right? Another one sold the 25K with zero ad spend, and another wealth advisor add a 7 figures pipeline installing the system. Of course, it wasn't overnight, but was a great change for their company. Those are not campaigns. This is not ads campaigns. When this is a system, which means is repeatable, is scalable, and is tailored for you. So if any what I just explained for you makes sense and you would like you would like to know more about it, just click below. We work with high ticket service provider, and we work on a few of them per quarter because we, like I said, we tailor for each one. We install the entire system and we work together. So it's not possible to have a lot of people. So just click below and we're going to ask a couple questions so I get to know you and understand a little bit more of your business, and I can answer, and we're going to be able to analyze and really be honest if we are a good match and we qualify to help your business. And if not, we're going to give you a couple tips and things that you can apply in your business right now. Either way, it's a win-win situation. So you have nothing to lose, and we're not gonna pretend we can help you if we know we can. We're gonna analyze, and that's why it's super important. Answer the questions below, and we're gonna be more than happy to try to work with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you in